Welcome to Alvinsa's studio. Today we're taking you on a full tour of a charming retreat in the woods, Ivy Cottage Cabin, a Barndominium-style Airbnb located in Logan, Ohio. Set within the breathtaking landscape of Hocking Hills, this cozy getaway blends rustic charm with modern comfort, making it the perfect escape for nature lovers and design enthusiasts alike. Join us as we explore every corner of this unique Barndominium Airbnb, from its thoughtful architecture to the relaxing ambiance it offers year-round. Stay tuned for the full experience only on Alvinsa Studio. Welcome to the Ivy Cottage, a charming retreat nestled in the heart of nature. The Ivy Cottage sleeps 6 guests. The interior has white shiplap walls with sliding barn doors, queen beds, and 2 full-size bunk bedrooms for children of all ages. There's a full kitchen, a living room with a gas fireplace, and TVs in all bedrooms and the living room. The exterior has a front porch for rocking. The back deck has a hot tub. There is a fire pit and a gas grill. And that concludes our full tour of the Ivy Cottage Cabin, a charming Barndominium-style Airbnb retreat right in the heart of Logan, Ohio. From its rustic elegance to its modern amenities, this hidden gem offers a perfect balance of comfort and nature, an ideal escape for couples, families, or solo travelers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more unique home designs and inspiring getaways. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye from Alvinsa Studio.